We bought another set of 25 bags of cement. Because of money, lack of money, we are buying small, small. And the ones we bought 15 bags we bought yesterday, has finished. We bought another 25 bags this morning. Today is 25th October. Yesterday we bought um, yesterday we bought 15 bags. They are all finished. So today we bought 25 bags. So this is block mother carrying one bag to continue his work. While these ones will be offloaded inside the cement store. Good afternoon, sir. God bless you.